Check out this Dodge 2020 Journey SE value. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, SC popular equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474. Sirius satellite radio, leather-wrapped shift knob, rear air conditioning with heater, power 6-way driver seat, power 4-way driver, lumbar adjust radio, 4.3 SU Connect voice command with Bluetooth, air conditioning with 3-zone temperature control, security alarm, leather-wrapped steering wheel, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, granite pearl coat.